Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something that can seriously elevate your home entertainment setup, the 16:9 4K motorized tensioned black crystal ALR projection screen, a 133-inch giant that promises to deliver a true cinematic experience without stepping into a theater. Let's start with the basics: size. A 133-inch diagonal screen is enormous. Most high-end TVs top out at 85 or maybe 98 inches, but this screen fills your wall and creates a sense of immersion you just can't get from traditional flat panels. Whether it's movies, sports, or gaming, the scale alone makes a huge difference. Watching a blockbuster on this screen feels like you're in the theater, and gaming becomes incredibly immersive, especially if you're into first-person shooters or racing titles. But size is just one piece of the puzzle. A projector is only as good as the screen it projects onto. You could have a high-end 4K projector, but without the right screen, the image quality suffers, colors look washed out, blacks appear gray, and details get lost. That's where the black crystal AR, ambient light rejection, technology comes into play. Unlike traditional white screens that reflect every bit of light in the room, an ALR screen filters ambient light while enhancing the projector's brightness and contrast. The result is vivid, punchy images even in rooms that aren't completely dark, which is perfect for real-world living spaces where you don't want to close every curtain. The motorized functionality is another standout feature. You just press a button, and the screen rolls up or down smoothly and quietly. This is perfect for living rooms or multipurpose spaces where you don't want a giant screen hanging all the time. When it's not in use, it disappears seamlessly, keeping your room looking clean and modern. Now, let's talk about tensioning. One common issue with projector screens is wrinkles or sagging edges that distort the image. The tension design of this screen keeps the surface completely flat. This is crucial for 4K content, where sharpness and detail matter. Every pixel counts, and a perfectly flat screen ensures you're seeing your movies, shows, and games exactly as they were intended. The viewing experience itself is impressive. The black crystal ALR surface delivers deep blacks, rich contrast, and accurate colors, making both HDR and SDR content look exceptional. Even in moderately lit rooms, you'll notice a significant improvement in image quality compared to standard screens. Movies feel cinematic, sports games feel immersive, and video games, especially those with high-end graphics, come to life like never before. Installation is straightforward and versatile. You can mount it on a wall or ceiling depending on your setup. Once installed, the motorized operation makes it effortless to use. No manual adjustments, no wrestling with the fabric. The build quality is solid as well. The motor is quiet and smooth, the tensioning system is reliable, and the ALR material is designed to last without fading or losing its reflective properties. This isn't just a short-term upgrade, it's a long-term investment in your home entertainment experience. One key takeaway here is that a great projector deserves a great screen. Many people invest heavily in projectors but overlook the screen itself. The truth is, the screen contributes at least half of the overall image quality. A high-end projector paired with a subpar screen will never reach its full potential. With this 133-inch motorized ALR screen, you're getting a setup that truly delivers. To sum it up, if you're serious about creating a true home theater experience, this 16:9 4K motorized tensioned black crystal ALR projection screen is one of the best options on the market. It combines size, advanced ALR technology, motorized convenience, and tension design to give you an immense, high-quality viewing experience. Whether it's for movies, gaming, or sports, this screen elevates every moment. Hi guys, if you want to buy this 16:9 4K motorized tension projector screen black crystal ALR projection screen for your home theater, 133-inch, then please visit the link provided in the description.